Have you ever struggled with managing your PDF files, whether it's editing, converting, or securing them? It's a common issue, isn't it? We've all been there, grappling with PDF files that seem to have a mind of their own. Maybe you need to tweak a line in your report, convert a document for a presentation, or perhaps you're just trying to keep a sensitive file secure. Enter iTop PDF, a game changer in the realm of document management. This innovative software is designed to take the hassle out of handling PDFs. It's not just a tool, it's a solution. With its advanced features and intuitive interface, iTop PDF makes your document tasks not just manageable, but effortless. Whether you're dealing with editing woes, conversion conundrums, or security concerns, iTop PDF is designed to tackle them all. It's about time we turn the tide on our document dilemmas, don't you think? With iTop PDF, these worries become a thing of the past. Firstly, imagine a world where editing PDFs is as simple as editing a Word document. Welcome to the reality of iTop PDF's editing feature. This clever tool lets you edit text, add images, and even modify the layout of your PDFs with remarkable ease. The interface is intuitive, the process straightforward, delivering efficiency that is second to none. It's like having a powerful word processor specifically designed for your PDFs. Gone are the days of complicated PDF editing. Next, think about how often you need to convert PDF files into other formats. With iTop PDF, that's no longer a hassle. This software's PDF conversion feature is a game changer. It supports a wide range of formats from Word and Excel to JPG and PNG, even HTML. Ever needed to convert a PDF to an editable PowerPoint presentation? iTop PDF has got you covered. Whether you're dealing with work reports, school assignments, or personal projects, iTop PDF makes conversion a breeze. Now, imagine if you could secure your PDF files with just a few clicks. That's what iTop PDF's security feature offers. This tool allows you to protect your PDFs with passwords, preventing unauthorized access. You can also restrict specific actions like copying, editing, or printing, giving you total control over your files. This feature significantly enhances the privacy and confidentiality of your documents, making iTop PDF an ideal choice for handling sensitive information. With iTop PDF, your files are always secure. So, what do we have here with iTop PDF? As we draw the curtains on this review, let's revisit the key features that make iTop PDF a standout software. We've seen how its editing capabilities allow us to manipulate our PDF files with precision and flexibility. From adding text and images to rotating and cropping, it's clear that iTop PDF is a powerhouse for PDF editing. Next, we delved into the conversion feature. iTop PDF shines in its ability to convert PDF files into various formats, including Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and even image files. This feature sets the bar high for versatility and convenience. We also explored the security feature of iTop PDF, which offers a robust suite of options to protect sensitive information. With password protection, watermark addition, and signature implementation, this software ensures your PDF files remain secure and confidential. Beyond these impressive features, the ease of use and efficiency of iTop PDF cannot be overstated. Its intuitive interface and streamlined processes make it a breeze for both beginners and seasoned professionals. Whether you're managing a few PDFs or an entire library, iTop PDF ensures the task is executed smoothly and swiftly. In conclusion, iTop PDF is more than just a PDF management tool. It's a comprehensive solution that combines editing, conversion, and security into one efficient package, simplifying your work and increasing productivity. Remember, with iTop PDF, managing your PDF files has never been easier.